Alright, YouTube, this is a quick video. Just got done being hit by Hurricane Matthew, and I live on the Intercoastal Waterway, and this is my porch, and the water was up to here inside my porch. I got my deep freezer and my outside refrigerator out here, and I'm sure a lot of other people probably got something like this in their garage or something. So I wanted to let y'all know, if you act quick, you can save your appliances from the salt water. Now let me show you what I got going on here. I had this whole cabinet was full of debris up to about here. So this is your thermal cutout switch on the side of the compressor. Very similar on a refrigerator at your start capacitor. And my freezer's electronics are right there. That's not necessarily the case in refrigerators now. What I did was basically I just took a garden hose. Obviously this was unplugged. Take a garden hose, and it was also off at the point when the salt water hit it. So took a garden hose, flushed all of this out really well, and I took it out of the freezer. Took the control box out of the freezer, took my thermal cutoff switch off the compressor, and it was literally full of dirt and pieces of leaves and everything. And what I did was I took it all, broke it down, even the connections. Everywhere there's a wire connection, take it apart. You're gonna need an air compressor, and blow everything out first. Get all the debris out, and then take your hose and literally rinse the heck out of these things. Blow water through there. You gotta get that salt out of there. So blow it all out with fresh, clean water, and then take your air compressor and completely blow dry everything and put it back together, and it works. You know, it's pretty simple, really. I mean, if there's no water, then there's not going to be a short. So, you know, and you got to do this quick before the salt sets in and just corrodes everything to heck. So I just did this to my deep freezer because I mean, I got all my family's groceries for the month in here, and no telling when this power is going to be put back on or grocery store is going to be open. And it worked just fine. It's cooling down. Outside's hot. It's been running for 10 minutes now. Wanted to make sure this actually works before I tell anybody else to do it. I mean, you can see it's plugged in, it's running. I'm going off of generator power right now. But I just want to let y'all know that you can recover your appliances that are outside that have been submerged in salt water if you move quickly enough. Hope this helps.